Unlock the secrets to profiting from tiny price differences on Binance with its powerful triangular arbitrage scanner. First, you will need to have an account on Binance and login. Triangular arbitrage exploits price discrepancies between three different cryptocurrency pairs. The scanner automatically identifies these potential profit opportunities. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section, then look for triangular arbitrage. You will usually find it under More on your screen. The scanner's interface presents real-time data, including the trading pairs, potential profit percentage, and current prices. Configure your preferred risk tolerance and trade size. Focus on high percentage returns, but remember to consider transaction fees and slippage. While these can eat into your profits, you will need to factor in the fees that Binance charges. Be cautious of false positives. Confirm the arbitrage opportunity manually before executing trades. You will need to manually execute the orders in order to make a profit. While Binance doesn't offer direct API integration for the scanner, backtesting your strategy with historical data helps refine your approach. Remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Stay updated on market volatility and adapt your strategy accordingly. Crypto markets can change quickly, so vigilance is key. Keep up to date with Binance news regarding arbitrage as well.